Hey, this is Joey with NinjaTrader. In this video, we're going to walk through the Strategy Builder, what it is, how to use it, and how it lets you build and automate a futures trading strategy without writing a single line of code. If you ever wanted to automate your execution but felt like coding was standing in the way, the Strategy Builder is designed with that problem in mind. Using a point-and-click workflow, you can translate a trading idea into rule-based logic, add trade management like stops and targets, and generate a strategy framework you can test and refine, all without touching code. Behind the scenes, the Strategy Builder is generating NinjaScript-based strategies automatically. You define the logic visually. The platform handles the code. So what exactly is the Strategy Builder? It's a visual tool for creating automated systems trading strategies using rule-based building blocks. You can open it from the NinjaTrader Control Center by selecting New, then Strategy Builder. At the heart of the experience is the Condition Builder, a tool designed to help you create complex expressions and nested logic without any programming required. Let's talk about what it can do. You can define entry and exit criteria using indicators, price conditions, time filters, and multi-condition logic. You can set up actions that range from simple alerts all the way to fully automated order entry. So, you decide how hands-on you want to be. You can add protective logic like stop losses, profit targets, and trade filters to control risk within your strategy rules. Once your rules are defined, you can backtest and iterate, evaluating how changes to your logic or parameters may affect outcomes before you consider any live deployment. And when you're ready, the Strategy Builder acts as a bridge from idea to rules to strategy framework without requiring you to start from scratch in code. Now, let's walk through how to actually build a strategy. This workflow can be adapted to many common approaches: trend following, mean reversion, breakout, and more. Step 1. Open the Strategy Builder. From the Control Center, select New, then Strategy Builder. Step 2. Choose a strategy name, options, and inputs. Name your strategy and define any user inputs you may want to adjust later. Things like indicator lengths, session hours, or stop and target values. Keeping these as inputs makes testing and optimization more structured. Step 3. Build entry conditions in the Condition Builder. Use the Condition Builder to define the when behind your entries. For example, a fast-moving average crossing above a slow-moving average, or price breaking above a prior high. The Condition Builder is designed to support complex expressions without coding. Step 4. Add actions. What happens when conditions are true? Define what the strategy should do once conditions trigger, such as submitting an order, generating an alert, or applying additional checks before executing. Step 5. Add exits and trade management. Define your exit logic, like an opposite signal, a time-based exit, or an indicator-based exit, and layer in trade management like stop losses and profit targets. Trailing stops are also configurable here. A common approach is to define a protective stop first, and then update it based on your trailing logic, whether that's a fixed tick offset, an ATR-based value, or a swing-based rule. If your trailing logic requires more complex expressions, the Condition Builder can handle that too, without any coding. Step 6. Test, review, and refine. Run your backtest and review performance across different market regimes and instruments. Then iterate by adjusting inputs, adding filters, or refining exits. Following this process can help you build a clear, testable foundation that you can refine over time as you gain more insight into how your strategy behaves. Now, a common question: do you need to learn how to code to automate a future strategy? With the Strategy Builder, the answer is no. Instead of writing code line by line, you define your strategy using structured, rule-based logic in a visual interface. Every automated strategy starts with 3 questions. When should I enter? When should I exit? And how will I manage risk? In the Strategy Builder, you answer those questions using the Condition Builder, selecting indicators, price values, session times, and logical operators from drop-down menus. Instead of focusing on syntax, you focus on your trading plan. Once your conditions are set, you define what happens next. Submit a market or limit order, trigger an alert, or apply stop loss or profit target rules. You control how automated you want the strategy to be, from signal only all the way to fully automated order entry. After defining your rules, you can backtest and evaluate how the strategy performs under different market conditions. You can adjust inputs, refine filters, and iterate on exits without rewriting anything. And for traders who want to go further, because the Strategy Builder generates NinjaScript in the background, You can view and modify that code later if you decide to expand beyond the visual interface. That progression from idea to rules to optional customization is built into the platform, but it's entirely optional. Automation doesn't have to start with programming. It can start with a clear trading idea and a structured way to express it. Before wrapping up, let's go over a few best practices worth keeping in mind. Start simple. Begin with one clear entry and one clear exit. Then add filters one at a time. Many strategies become hard to evaluate once too many rules are layered in. Use realistic assumptions around slippage, commissions, and execution constraints, since these can meaningfully change results. Avoid logic that depends on information that wouldn't be known at the decision moment. That kind of hindsight can distort your results. And validate across multiple instruments and time periods. A strategy that works only in one tight window may be overfit. So, whether you're exploring your first automated future strategy or refining an existing approach, the NinjaTrader Strategy Builder provides a flexible foundation that can grow with you. From no-code rules creation and testing to deeper customization through NinjaScript as your strategy development needs evolve.